Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your music sound muffled on Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Capcut application, and as you can see guys, I have imported my audio to this Capcut project, and I'm going to make this audio sound muffled. If you want to do that, we can use the voice effect on Capcut to make it muffled. You can click on your audio or your music, and you have to click on it again, and then you have to go to the audio effect. Okay, and you have to go to the voice folder section right here, and you have to scroll down until you find the megaphone effect, this one. Okay, and this is how the megaphone effect looks like, and I'm going to try the lo-fi as well. Okay, and I think the microphone effect is better, so I'm going to use this microphone effect to make my music sound muffled. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can make our music sound muffled using CapCut mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.